Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Friday. It is bar hopping day for Desi's 21st birthday. As somebody that hasn't bar hopped in many years, I can honestly say I'm not sure I'm up for this. We'll see what time we get in. Baby Badger's like, prepare for 2 or 3 in the morning. When I was young, like, the bars closed at like midnight, 1 o'clock. So 3 a.m., that seems a little like overkill to me. Anyway, you know, nothing good ever happens after 10 o'clock, right? That's what I was always told anyway. Anywho, it is episode 90. Welcome to the 90th episode of season 2 of the Badger vlog. And that's about it for this morning. Bike ride's done. I need some coffee. The rental vehicle is supposed to be there. So we're gonna go at, I think, 1 o'clock and see if he has our vehicle as promised. Or am I gonna have to crawl over the counter and strangle somebody? The battery just shut the camera off. So you're gonna see a little blip in the traffic is horrible. We're almost to the Skyway Bridge, and we have been bumper to bumper since like, so it's been horrible. So we had to stop at the bathroom because the whole truck had to go to the bathroom. Speaking of trucks, there's my rental vehicle for the night. That will be the DD vehicle for the night, and we're gonna meet them at Texas Roadhouse for dinner, and then to a country bar. And then I don't know where we're going from there, but that is the plan so far. We'll see. Anyway, this is such a beautiful place to stop. I thought I'd share it with you since I'm waiting on them to go do their thing in the bathroom. First stop, Texas Roadhouse. How long is the wait? At least we found a parking spot.
And what time is it?
I don't know, like 6:40? 7. So we'll eat at like 8.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry.
Waiting
Anyway,
on the girls to get here too.
the girls aren't here yet, so they'll be here in time for us to eat. And then we'll continue our night.
Wish me luck.
I keep telling them we're gonna have to fake like an old people's injury so we can go to bed before 3 a.m.
Don't think it'll be a problem.
They've started drinking. Looks like they're faking it to me.
Okay. See how that looks.
Hi, Des.
Oh, that's so
Des,
cute.
say hi to everybody. Happy 21st.
Hi, everyone. Happy 21st.
Just like her dad.
Dumbass. Mount up!
Special day! Nice, you even dressed up for it. I love it. I love it. I do need to borrow someone's napkin if I could. Preferably a clean one. I need to borrow a napkin for a lasso. Perfect. When we say you need one, you just spin this over your head like a cowgirl, okay? What's your name and how old are you tonight?
Desiree, and I'm 21.
Oh, excellent. I love it. All right, I'm going to get loud, okay? Attention, Texas Roadhouse. I have a very legendary guest on the saddle tonight. This is Desiree. She's turning 21 today. On the count of 3, I need you to stop what you're doing, swallow what you're doing, give her your loudest and proudest Texas size. Yeehaw! 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
All right, second stop is done. Cowboys, we got our boot scooting on. Now I'm getting ready to have a carload of girls. So I figured I'd shoot this before they get their asses over here. And it is 11:34, which means I'm gonna be editing this video at 3 in the morning. Anyway, next is to the house so they can change clothes because they wouldn't want to wear the same clothes from the country place to the downtown place. You know, because that wouldn't be cool. Anyway, so they're gonna go change clothes. Then we'll head to the next destination. All right, we finally made it back to the hotel. That is a wrap at 3:50 in the morning. So I'm exhausted. I know everybody else is exhausted. They just want to get to bed. I still got to get this video done. So anyway, that was Baby Badger's birthday. We went to like 3 different bars tonight, walked downtown. I am too old for this stuff, but I think she had a great birthday, and it'll be one that we all never forget. So that's a wrap. We will see you all in just a few hours, because we got to get the rental truck home by noon, which means we got to be out of here by 10, which means we only have a couple hours of sleep. So I better get to work on this so that I can sleep for a couple hours.